Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to resize row and column of table in Microsoft Publisher. So let's start it. At first, open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show resize row and column of table. Now go into the insert menu option. Then click for a table option. Now select from a row and column. Now move from a table. Now we can see resize row. Firstly row. Now select from a row first. Then we show resize icon. Now for click mouse right button. Then move from the top. That is. Now you can see resize from row, and then you can see resize from column. Then click for column option. Then we show that the icon. Then move from left and right. That is. Now you can see resize row and columns of a table in Publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for